Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can remove Facebook account restrictions. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching this video, and also put your likes. So, friends, first of all, let's you and I open the Facebook application. And here, if you have, let's say, restricted your page, it could be for any number of reasons. For example, you violated some, like Facebook rules, or Facebook saw too much activity from you, and so on and so forth. The reasons, in fact, can be so many. In order to fix your restriction, you first need to figure out the cause. So, first of all, you can try to go to notifications. And this is where you might get a notification letter, why you've been restricted. If it doesn't, then go to your Facebook page. Click on the three dots and then the profile status. So here you will be told exactly why your account has been restricted. And once you know the reason, go back to the menu. Then click on the gear at the top to go to Settings. Then click on Meta Account Center. Personal Information. And then go to Identity Confirmation. And here you will need to verify your identity with documents such as your passport or driver's license, for example. You'll need to take a picture with them so that Facebook can see that it's really you. And you'll need to wait a while for Facebook to verify this information. If this does not work after a few days, then try one more action. For this, also go back to the Facebook menu, clear down, click Help and Support, then report a problem. And now you'll need to go to the section, for example, where you had the problem and shake the phone. It goes like this. You click here. Next you go to, let's say, Marketplace, and you shake the phone. That's how you report the problem. And then you just have to press this button. That's the way to go, friends. You can try to remove the restrictions in your Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.